Are you getting outbid in today's marketplace? I'm going to share a tip with you that you're probably overlooking, and it'll help you succeed in today's market. Hey, what's going on? My name is Cesar Yanis, and I'm your real estate authority here in Silicon Valley. And today I'm going to share a home buyer tip that you're probably overlooking, and it'll help you immensely with your house hunt. So we all know, as we turn the page on 2022, the real estate market in our area in the Bay and in Silicon Valley have been very, very hot. Homes are selling within a week with multiple offers and going significantly over asking. So you're probably struggling with your house hunt and getting your offers accepted. Maybe you're getting outbidded every time you find a house you like. Maybe it's going way over your budget, or maybe it's selling too quick. The offer due date is the day you were finally able to see the house. So what can you do? The one thing I'll share with you that will help you right now is to take a look at homes that have been lingering on the market for more than 14 or 21 days. This is especially long in today's market since everything's selling within a week. So you'll be able to find way more opportunities if you find these listings that have been sitting on the market longer. And I know what you're thinking. Cesar, those homes are probably not selling and lingering because they have a big issue. There's a big problem with them. That's the only reason. And yes, you're absolutely 100% right. This can be true. There can be a huge foundation problem. Maybe the house needs a new roof. Maybe the plumbing is all messed up. Maybe the house is falling apart from termite damage. Of course, but there's also homes that are perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with them, and they're simply sitting on the market for other reasons. Maybe the seller is stubborn and stuck in a really high price. Maybe the agent didn't market it right, or maybe they input the wrong information on the listing. So you may want to take a look at those homes and see if you can request disclosures and just check out the inspection reports, check out the listing, make sure the agent didn't miss anything that may be a fantastic opportunity for you. I'll give you a story of how myself and my clients succeeded using this strategy. So they were on the market for a townhouse in Mountain View, and they had seen a few homes for a couple months. And then I saw this property that had been on the market for over 6 months. It was a townhome built in the 80s. And to be fair, this was kind of overpriced. It was listed at $2,350,000, which was kind of crazy because new construction within a quarter-mile radius was selling for about 2.1, a little smaller, but very similar in size. So, I said, you know what, let's just take a look, see how it is. And I think the reason this was sitting longer in the market also because it was very difficult to show. The seller was very picky with people going in his home with shoes on and touching things, and it was just complicated getting an appointment in the first place. So I think that could be a reason too, and the price. And because the last sale in that community was like 10 years ago, and it was for $700,000. So from $700K to $2,350,000 is a big jump. But we took a look, and what we found out is that the seller tore this house down to the studs and rebuilt it back up beautifully done. Custom cabinetry, custom staircase, beautiful flooring, the finishes, the touches were just amazing. It was way nicer than whatever the builders were building in the area, and it was just beautifully done. The home had many smart features. It had own solar panels, it had EV charging, it had everything. So it was really nice. My buyers loved it, so I encouraged them to make a lowball offer under asking since it'd been on the market for so long. We came in at 1.9, and then the seller countered us at $2,025,000, which I already thought it was a good deal because the new construction was selling at 2.1, and it was, very cookie cutter, very basic homes that they're building, and I thought this was like way nicer. Just the detail in this, it was way more expensive than those. So I told them, hey, you can counter the seller, or if you want to, just accept their counter if you're happy with this. And they accepted their counter at $2,025,000, and they love it. They're super happy with it, and the inspection reports were super clean. Nothing wrong with the house because they just built this back up. It's essentially a new construction. And that was not mentioned on the description. So that is my tip for you guys. Go take a look at those homes that have been sitting on the market for 6 months, 3 months, 14, 21 days, and just go see if there's anything wrong with them. Request the disclosures reports, review them, and if you like them, it's possible that the seller has lowered their expectations and you can get a house at a great price in a very competitive market. So I hope that helps. Share this with somebody that needs to hear this, and until next time, peace.